Man, I'm hungry. I take a picture. Hello or something. First, I'm gonna get a plate. Perfect. I'm gonna rinse off this apple. Tell me so. That can't be moved. Okay, it's not. Yippee. Let me get this. Yippee. Perfect. Good job. And now, I'm gonna chop the apple. And boom. Oh, wrong one. Oh, wrong one. Here it is. Next, I'm gonna get a banana. Hold on, let me put you down real quick. Okay, I got the banana. Now, I'm gonna peel it. Come here, banana. Okay, I got it. Oh. Banana, why won't you peel? Come here. Okay, I got the banana. Let me just scoot this over real quick. Okay, I scoot the banana over. And now, transition time. Actually, I want to show you a really cool style that I cut my banana in. Pause. Let me just... No. I'm trying to find an angle to put it at. Why don't you work, buddy? Buddy, why don't you work? There we go. Look. There we go. Alright. Here it is. So first I just hold down the banana and do this. That's fine, right? And boom. Look at that. Apple and banana. I'm trying to find another fruit that I can touch. Now I'm gonna try.